Hi everyone, it's Sam from RippleBytes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments for any topics you'd like to see me cover. Let's get started. In this video, we'll go through the steps needed to install NodeJS on Windows. NodeJS is a tool used to run JavaScript code outside of the browser. More details on what NodeJS is can be found in the previous video in this series, linked below in the description. We'll be installing the latest stable release of Node from the official website. Head over to nodejs.org. and you should see the download links for the LTS and current builds. We're going to want to use the long-term support or LTS version. Once you get into Node.js later on, you may want to check out the latest possible features of Node, but for the vast majority of cases, the LTS version will do just fine and is the more stable alternative. You'll also see on the website a mention of what Node.js is, a runtime built on top of Chrome's V8 engine, which is something we talked about in the previous video on Node.js. Click on the download link and open the installer, and then we'll walk through the steps to get Node.js installed on your system. We won't be changing any of the defaults, so we'll just be running the vanilla installation process, and you'll need to approve the installation of this. You'll need administrator access for this. It'll just take a couple of minutes. I'll pause the video here and speed it up. Okay, we're back and we've finished the installation, and we'll click finish. If we head over to the start menu and click on Node.js, we're taken into a JavaScript environment where we can do things like assign variables. Oops. And then we get also proper error handling as well. Undefined is something we'll come and talk about when we talk about JavaScript itself. But then if we type in test, we get back the string hello. So this is an environment where you can just test different types of JavaScript. But if we want to actually use a command prompt in a slightly different way to the way that Mac or Linux terminals work, for Windows it's best to use the Node.js command prompt. Now you can find this a number of ways. We're going to click on the Node.js command prompt like this, and now we're given the normal Windows console. However, if we type Node, we're taken into that runtime environment where we can interact using JavaScript commands. So that's all for installing Node.js on Windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any other topic you'd like to see me cover.